Hello children, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well and enjoyed our previous video. Before I am going to explain our today's topic, I want to revise few more words which relate to our today's topic. Here, what is naming word? Naming word is a word which is used for name, place, animal, thing, and the word which is used for naming word is also known as noun. Here naming word is equals to noun, and the word which describe our noun is known as describing word or is equals to an adjective. I am repeating again. Naming word is equals to noun, and the word which describe our noun is known as an adjective. So children, let's see what is an adjective.
What is an adjective? Today we are going to learn about what is an adjective. But before that, we have to remember few points. That is, in order to understand what is an adjective, first we have to know what is noun. Remember, a noun is a person, place or thing. Here, doctor is an example of person, bookstore is an example of place, or desk is an example of thing. So, adjective describes the noun. Adjectives are words that tell us more about nouns. Here are few examples of adjective like doctor, bookstore, desk. Doctor. How we describe doctor? As you all can see that doctor looked tall, smart and young. In bookstore, these three words is known as adjectives for doctor. Now take next example, that is bookstore. Bookstore is fancy, people comes to use there, so it is friendly also and it looks beautiful also. Here fancy, friendly and beautiful are three words which describe the bookstore, and these three words is known as adjective for this bookstore. Now third one is desk. Here you can see that desk is clean, pen, brown, desk has a monitor. So here clean, pen and brown is three adjectives for this noun, that is desk. So tall, smart, fancy, friendly, clean, pen, brown are the adjectives or are the example of adjectives for these noun, which is doctor, bookstore and a desk. So adjective describes the noun.
Now you all know that the words that tell us more about noun or describe the noun is known as an adjective, or in another word, the quality, quantity, color or any other feature of noun is known as an adjective. This is our today's topic. Till then, bye. Take care. Sayonara.